Welcome to Mount Washington.
You know, there's so many great things about the property that I really love, but if I'm honest, the thing that I really thought was special and unique the first time I visited was I love my friends, but not for breakfast. And the ability to have the main lodge where I live and have friends visit and they each have their own space really was a differentiator for me. So obviously I wanted to be remote and away from other people, but accessible to town, and this hit all of those attributes. But what was really exciting was to have this small village where I could entertain family and friends. That way nobody has to drive. We're currently finishing up another one of the cabins. It's being turned into a gym. And then we've got the large duplex on the other side of the pool, which is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, full kitchen, 2 living rooms. And then beyond that building is the barn, which houses tractors and storage. So there's the main lodge, which we've spent some time in. Got just shy of 38 acres, but what's really unique about this property is we're surrounded by 8,000 acres of forever wild. So we're paying taxes on 38, but get to enjoy 8,000. About 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, could be 4 bedrooms, some large gathering areas, a nice home office, 3 decks, 2 dishwashers, 2 washers and dryers, and a hidden steam room. But the sort of modern history of this property began in the 20s when a gentleman by the name of Strauss returned from World War I. He was injured and fell in love with his Swiss nurse, brought her back to the US. She missed Switzerland, so in essence, he built her a little Swiss village. The next owner was actually just as interesting. Marvin Zolt worked with Sinatra, worked very closely with Bob Marley. When he owned the house, it was the site of some legendary parties. Tried to uphold that while respectfully rehabilitating the land and renovating all the buildings. The ability to walk out my back door and hike for miles on trails and in the state forest, yet I'm only 15 minutes by car from either Hillsdale, Salisbury, or Great Barrington. So I can drop into 3 states from this mountain directly and be right in town, and whether it's get a quart of milk, visit the brewery, or whatever I need, it's really easy to have this small village where I could entertain family and friends.